Anyong, so for today's video, we will be doing a challenge. At yung challenge natin is, try natin ubusin itong buldak samyang na 2 times spicy. Tara, let's go! So let's start the challenge. So actually this would be my second time trying it. So hopefully makayanan ko na siya ngayon. Kilay na ako. Update lang, hindi ko siya na